My name is James Wirth. In September, I had significant ankle pain in my right ankle. I couldn't walk as far as I wanted to. I normally walk to church on Sunday mornings, and it was 2.5 miles, and I couldn't do that anymore because of my ankle pain. I was recommended to see Dr. Zhu, and he said I was a prime candidate for the new prosthesis that they were using. So I had my surgery sometime later in September. Went home the next day. I wore a boot for a month or two and went to therapy, rehab, and I just got back from Iceland yesterday, which required a lot of walking and climbing up and down the hills, and my ankle performed flawlessly. I was treated very well by Dr. Zhu and his staff, and they told me what was going to happen. I'm very happy I went through with it. I would absolutely recommend Dr. Zhu to anybody. Extremely happy with the results I got from Orthopedic Associates. I'm doing all my normal stuff, very active. I have a garden and a lot of grass to mow, and I have no restrictions.